Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna show you guys a quick tutorial for this wedding look. I hope you guys like this look. Et voilà, stay tuned! Okay, so firstly, we're parting our hair into 3 pieces. Well, it depends on your thickness. If your hair is really thick and it doesn't go easily in gel, I would advise you to go to smaller pieces. And also the key is to make it ultra wet with some spray. And now let the parting begin.
J'ai déconné, j'avoue, je suis dans l'abus, oh. Mais je suis un Batman, j'ai 1, 2, 3, 4 bad gal, no. J'aime les bails sales, je peux pas donner mon corps à une seule femme, no. Tu vis un enfer, chacune de tes copines veut qu'on m'enterre, no. Mais tu restes debout, ma chérie, tu restes debout. Et si on dansait le makossa, mako. J'ai vu ton legging, je suis accro. Baby, baby, dansons le mako. Je voulais qu'on wine sur du maco. Et si on dansait le makossa, mako. J'ai vu ton legging, je suis accro. Baby, baby, dansons le mako. Je voulais qu'on wine sur du maco. Oh, dja dja, y'avait moyen, dja dja. T'étais ma cata, fais pas genre. Mais casse-toi aujourd'hui, je suis plus là.
One thing that is important is to leave the back of your hair loose so that you can braid it into a piece. Now the braiding is optional, but it's easy with a braid to cover it up with the extensions that we're using. So you just braid your hair in the back.
Bouteille de rhum et taille qui voit flou. Elles m'ont mis dedans, j'aurais dû faire attention. Ouais. Fais pas de blaire ni au fond, je sais que t'es un bout. Et si on dansait le makossa, mako. J'ai vu ton legging, je suis accro. Baby, baby, dansons le mako.
Sometimes I hear complaints about a certain gel not working on people, and let me tell you guys, satin scarf is key. Put it long enough so that your style stays put. It is the key to your success. Now we're putting an elastic band in the middle of the kinky hair, and then we just wrap it around our hair, and we just start wrapping it with a golden rope. The fun part about this style is you don't need to know how to braid, you don't need to know how to do twists, you just simply need to know how to put an elastic band on your hair. I think we all can do that, right? And we secure the end of the hairstyle with an elastic band. Et voila, we are done to slay. Hey guys, so this was actually my tutorial for the wedding look, and I'm actually going to a real wedding, so this time I'm not just making a tutorial to just make a tutorial. And this is my look. What do you guys think? Et voila, and let me show you guys from the front. Et voilà. Thank you guys for watching and see you. Bye.